This is Angie. So I'm currently recording the video for the project for Shiny App steps 133. So yeah, let's get started. This is my code and this is okay, this is the graph that I have. So first in this project, we have three ports, which is first is the S&P 500 annual returns, and the second is the investment timeline, which is the relation between the years and the balance, the investment balance for each year. And then the third is my investment table. So we can set so in the left side we can set a time period, which is the time that we choose we can choose the beginning year and also the ending year. And then the default initial amount is 500 and the default annual contribution is 1,000. And then we have two choice, which is we can so put the annual contribution in the beginning of the year, and also we can put at the end of the year. So the default growth rate is 0.03, which is 3%. So let's set a time for the time period. Let's do let's do this one, and then we can end up here. So we can see in the first graph the timeline, which is the year that I choose, is highlighted by the blue, and the end select time period is highlighted by the gray. So we can see right here, if you can see my mouse. So we just start at 1968 and end of the 2008. So we can see the return. Majority is so most of the year is the positive return, but we can see a few, especially for the 2008, which is financial crisis. It has a significant like negative returns. And for the x-axis is the year. For the y-axis is the percentage of the return. And also, let's move to the second plot, which is the investment timeline. For the investment timeline, we have x on the year on x-axis and then the year on y-axis. We can see this is the graph and it's shaded by blue, and this is my investment table, which is pretty much all the stuff, the years and return for each years and the investment. But also I want to show if we move to that's the beginning of the year. If we move to the end of the year, we can see how's the difference between the timeline, which is the balance on the second graph. And also we can see how's the investment table change. You can see like there's a small change in the investment balance, and also we can move the initial amount, which is we can move to this. We can see like the difference right here, the difference right here in the investment balance, and also we can move the annual contribution, which is you can see how's the difference like in the investment balance. I think that's pretty much all I can show like in this project, and hope you enjoy that.